The brand new 2023 Toyota BZ4X is here and is packed with amazing features. Here's what to expect on this electrifying Toyota. The 2023 Toyota BZ4X has a starting MSRP of $42,000, comes in 2 different models, XLE and Limited, and 9 different paint colors, including 4 bi-tone paint colors. And you can get an EPA-estimated 119 combined MPGe with a range up to 252 miles on just one charge. The 2023 Toyota BZ4X sits on top of multiple alloy wheel options, ranging from 19 to 20 inches, multi-LED projector headlights, taillights, and daytime running lights, and a color-keyed center bumper with a thin lower grille with chrome accents. Plus, there's multiple rear spoiler options, chrome window trim, and there's black painted over fenders with front air curtains to add an edgy look to your ride. There's a height-adjustable hands-free power liftgate, panoramic fixed glass roof with power sunshade, and the front door handles with touch sensor lock-unlock feature are the symbol of convenience. And there's an SAE J1772 CCS1 charge port compatibility, which is the standard charger for electric cars. There's electric power steering, 214 horsepower, and 248 torque, all-wheel drive, and X-mode drive mode with snow, dirt, deep snow, mud, and grip control modes. For an AC level 2 charger to reach 100% battery, it takes under 9.5 hours. DC fast charging takes under 60 minutes, and AC level 1 charging takes under 50 hours. And there's 8.1 inches of ground clearance to tackle any terrain. The edgy interior seats up to 5 people, has heated and ventilated Softex trim seats, heated leather trim steering wheel, soft touch fabric dashboard, and a 7-inch multi-information display with warning messages. Plus, there's a dual-zone automatic climate control, dial-type shift knob, smart key system with push-button start, and digital key capability, and an auto-dimming rear-view mirror with HomeLink. You'll love the optional front, foot, and leg heater, 60/40 split reclining fold-flat rear seats, and the height-adjustable rear cargo area deck board with a tonneau cover. The 2023 Toyota BZ4X has a 12.3 audio multimedia system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Qi wireless charging. Plus, there's 4 USB-C charge ports, 1 USB-A media port, 12-volt auxiliary power outlet, and a 9-speaker JBL premium audio sound system. And there's Wi-Fi Connect to keep you and your family connected. The 2023 Toyota BZ4X is equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 with pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, and road sign assist. And there's a panoramic view monitor with 360-degree overhead view, backup camera with dynamic grid lines, vehicle proximity notification system, and 8 airbags. Get behind the wheel of the 2023 Toyota BZ4X today. Stop by Toyota of Clermont at 16851 State Road 50.